Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This video will be all about how I keep my hair to last me up to 2 to 3 days while I do my finger coils, also including basically how I do my night and morning routine, because I get asked a lot on how I preserve my finger coils. So once I finish my finger coils, I usually air dry or blow dry my hair dry till about 90%. After that, I take a little bit of oil on my fingers and rub it over my hair completely. This basically prevents my hair from getting that flaky, dull look it gets after I just applied like a gel product to my hair. Okay, so now that it's in the morning time, the real product comes in, and I will be using Aunt Jackie's Half and Half Hydrating Silkening Hair Milk. This is used daily. It is also enriched with flaxseed, coconut milk, avocado and marshmallow root is a leave-in, blended with all of these things that gives you amazing softness. It strengthens your hair and prevents breakage and damage. I love this product because it basically rejuvenates my hair when I first apply the product. So now my hair is still giving me the great hold that the curling jelly gives me, but also gives me like a soft, shiny feel from the hair milk. You can use it daily. As you can see, I like to go in and just spray it on my hands and then go in my hair and just recoil some of the pieces that I feel are the most frizziest. This allows my hair to last me up to 2 to 3 days. That's it for this video. If you guys liked it, give it a thumbs up. Make sure you're subscribed to my channel, and thank you guys for watching.